Stop settling for a one-size-fits-all approach. Here are 10 benefits of chiropractic care you might not know. 1. Joint lubrication. Adjustments pump the joint to increase blood flow and synovial fluid. 2. Nervous system input. We relieve pressure on spinal nerves to improve communication between your brain and limbs. 3. Muscle efficiency. Proper alignment reduces the constant work and fatigue your muscles face every day. 4. Injury prevention. By fixing small imbalances early, we prevent major issues like disc herniations. 5. Improved posture. We help restore your body's natural alignment for a healthier frame. 6. Relief from tension headaches. Chiropractic care is a powerful tool for reducing frequent head and neck pain. 7. Better sleep. By reducing cortisol and physical stress, we help improve your sleep architecture. 8. Enhanced range of motion. Experience more freedom, whether you're playing sports or just checking your blind spot. 9. Stress reduction. Balancing the nervous system helps your body shift out of fight or flight mode. 10. Personalized technology. We use advanced tools like the CoinFi table to ensure safety and results. Experience the future of chiropractic care. Don't give up on relief. DM Relief to learn more.